A flexible layout, an incredible amount of space, and an exquisite blend of comfort and tradition makes this condominium a must-see. Located in the highly sought-after Classics at the Riviera, this is home to one of Ottawa's most amenity-rich buildings. This elegant unit offers over 1,800 square feet of modern living. The open-concept living and dining room areas are highlighted by pristine hardwood floors, as well as large, bright windows that offer incredible views. An irresistible wraparound balcony features 3 convenient access points for those magnificent days when you just have to have your coffee outdoors or your evening glass of wine. A lovely eat-in kitchen flows easily into another seating area, den or study, or studio, depending on your needs. At the other end of the unit is a large private principal bedroom with a magnificent ensuite, complete with separate shower and soaker tub. The perfect space to start and end your day. An additional bedroom, which could easily be a comfortable home office, and another full bathroom makes this beautiful large condominium very convenient for overnight family or guests. Active owners enjoy a wide range of amenities with tennis, indoor and outdoor pools, party rooms for large-scale entertaining, and so much more. Don't miss this opportunity for maximum convenience and upscale living with plenty of room, style, and sweeping views for miles. Be sure to call Jake Prescott of Tracy Arnett Realty to book your private showing today.